See him, see him, see him.
Where's the blood warning at?
Oh, really? Where you live now? Really?
Oh my god.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Seminole FAL, beginning at 8:42 a.m. and ending at 9:42 a.m. An evacuation order has been issued for mobile and manufactured homes, low-lying areas, and individuals with special needs in Seminole County. Shelters are open. An evacuation order has been issued for mobile and manufactured homes, low-lying areas, and individuals with special needs. Please evacuate to a safe location. Shelters are open.
Oh my fucking god.
Pick up debris on the road, anything, any information. Again, we're in
Holy
the studio.
shit. Whoa.